The pros and cons of flipping houses for profit. You've probably seen those jaw-dropping house flip videos where people make tens of thousands of dollars in a matter of weeks. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you there's more to flipping houses than just buying, renovating, and selling? In this video, we're diving deep into the real truth behind flipping houses for profit. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know if this is your golden ticket or just a risky gamble. All right, let's break it down. First, we'll take a look at the exciting, high-reward side of flipping houses. Trust me, you'll want to know what's waiting for you on the other side of that renovation wall. Pro 1. Instant profit potential. Let's talk about money. The most obvious pro when flipping houses is the potential for massive profits. You can buy a property, fix it up, and sell it for way more than you paid. Think about this. You buy a house for $150,000, put in $50,000 for renovations, and sell it for $250,000. Do the math. That's a $50,000 profit in a few months. Imagine what you could do with that kind of money. Maybe you could finally quit that 9-to-5 grind, travel the world, or buy the car of your dreams. But this isn't all sunshine and rainbows, because with great profits come great responsibilities. Pro 2. High energy, hands-on work. Flipping houses isn't for the faint of heart. It's hands-on, fast-paced, and totally exhilarating. If you love challenges and seeing a project come to life, flipping houses gives you that adrenaline rush. You get to make real-time decisions, watch a transformation happen, and experience the satisfaction of taking something run down and turning it into a beautiful home. And let's be real, who doesn't like seeing instant results? But before you start high-fiving yourself, let's pause and talk about the flip side. Con uno, high risk, high reward. Now let's hit the brakes for a second. The reason why flipping houses can be so profitable is the risk factor. It's very easy to get caught up in the excitement of what could go right, but what happens if it goes wrong? Renovation costs can blow up in your face, and you could end up spending far more than you ever expected. What if you run into hidden structural problems? Or what if the real estate market crashes just as you're about to sell? These are things you need to think about, because if you can't cover your expenses when things go south, you could lose your entire investment. Wait! I know what you're thinking, but I've watched those reality shows. You might be thinking flipping houses is easy money, but trust me, it's not as glamorous as those TV shows make it seem. You're not just picking out paint colors and installing new countertops. There's a lot more behind the scenes. Con 2. Unpredictability. Flipping houses also comes with unpredictability. You might think you've nailed it, but the market could shift without warning, and there's no guaranteed return on investment. The real estate market is constantly changing, and you have to be on your toes. One misstep, one bad decision, and you could be stuck with a property you can't sell at a profit. So do you have the stomach for uncertainty? Because if not, this might not be your game. But don't panic just yet. What if there was a way to minimize these risks? Stick around, because I'm about to share some tips on how you can maximize your profits and avoid these pitfalls. But first, let's talk about the time commitment. Con 3. Time-consuming. You might have heard it takes just a few weeks to flip a house, but in reality, flipping houses is time-consuming. From finding the right property, making renovations, and dealing with unexpected delays, it can take months. And those months, they're full of stress, unexpected issues, and sleepless nights. If you're working full-time or managing other commitments, this could seriously eat into your free time. Here's a little reality check. While you're hustling to meet deadlines, other parts of your life may start to suffer. Your social life, probably non-existent. Your mental health, you might feel like a pressure cooker waiting to explode. Pro 3. Building wealth through real estate knowledge. But here's the flip side. If you're willing to put in the work, flipping houses can build wealth over time. You're learning invaluable skills that you can apply to other real estate ventures, growing your portfolio, and possibly setting up a long-term source of income. Real estate knowledge is one of the most powerful assets you can have. Over time, you can leverage this expertise into a highly profitable career. So, how do you know if flipping houses is right for you? Is it a solid way to get rich, or should you stay away and invest in something else entirely? Here's what I suggest. Summary of pros and cons. Let's break it down. Flipping houses has high potential for profit, but it's also risky and time-consuming. If you're the kind of person who can take calculated risks, enjoy hands-on work, and commit to learning the ins and outs of real estate, then house flipping could be a great option for you. But if you're someone who gets anxious about the unknown, doesn't have the time, or is afraid of making a mistake with big money on the line, maybe it's worth reconsidering, or at least starting small. If you want to accelerate your journey to wealth and get more tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next, because your future, my friend, could start right now. I want to leave you with this. Don't just follow trends. Whether you're flipping houses or investing in real estate, your mindset and strategy matter more than anything. Make sure you're making informed decisions and keep pushing forward. Your wealthy lifestyle starts with one decision today. Let me know in the comments, are you ready to flip your first house? Or maybe you'll choose a different path to wealth. Either way, you've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay wealthy, and don't let fear hold you back.